This is the Veron controller connection. So 48 volt positive and negative, and this is the ignition key. The first one ignition key. Okay, this is the connector. First connector, yellow color, is the low brake. You can put it 12 volt. And second one, this is the push to talk. It's working parking mode. So when you connect battery, one time you can touch here negative you touch here, the parking mode is enable and disable. This is the push to talk. When the controller on, you can put it here. Okay, then the anti-theft. This is the anti-theft, and this one is study, self-study. Self-study means which direction you need, default direction, the motor default direction, which direction you need, you can put it. Once you can connect and disconnect, which direction you need, connect and disconnect. Okay, this is the self-study wire. Okay, study wire. Then this is the parking. If you need parking enable, you can push it here. In the high braking, red and white, high braking. This is the throttle. This is the 1 to 3 speed. 3 speed. The color is pink, brown and black. This is the hall sensor, motor hall sensor line. In front right side red, left side black, and top right side yellow, center green and left blue. Then the motor wire, yellow, green and blue. Now working. Here is there. When you connect throttle, it will be working. You want direction wrong? You want to change the direction? You can put it one time and remove while the controller is power on. Now see, the default direction is changed. Again you see, okay, this is the Veron gold controller, 48, 60, 72 volt, 35 amp.